Okay.
Hello, Mrs. Glenn.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank
Are
you.
you feeling well?
Yes, I'm doing very well.
Excellent. All right, so the first thing we're going to do today is a memory activity. It will basically be to help you remember things in your daily life, okay?
Okay.
All right, so what do you normally use to remember dates and times?
I never remember them.
Things to do. You don't remember them.
It's not
Okay.
important to me now.
Then this activity will be perfect for you in case there is something important.
Oh, okay.
All right, so I have here a calendar, a notebook, and sticky notes that you can use to help you remember things. So what I'm going to do is give you something to remember. For example, call Jane. And what I want you to do is pick any one of these tools and basically use it to help you remember later that you need to call Jane. Does that make sense?
That's fine.
Okay, so let's try one, and we'll use call Jane as an example. Which of these tools do you think you'd like to use?
I will use the sticky notes.
All right, good choice. So go ahead and write on here, call Jane. All right, perfect. So let's come up with a place to put this that you think you'll see it and remember to call Jane.
By the telephone.
By the telephone. All right. So right here. So do you think that's in a good spot that you'll remember it later
Yes.
when I ask you who you were supposed to call?
Yes.
All right, perfect.
I have to be careful here out here.
Yeah. So here, you're fine. Okay, so here's the next one. Meet me at 4. Which of these tools do you want to use to remember to meet me at 4?
The sticky notes again.
The sticky notes? These are nice because you can stick them wherever you want, aren't they? So go ahead and write what you would write to remember that. All right, and where do you think we should put this?
By the telephone again.
All right. So you'll just have notes all over the place so that you remember things.
Okay.
All right. So now, using the tools we use to remember things, I want you to tell me who were you supposed to call?
Jane. At 4.
Okay, but where would you find that if you really couldn't remember who you were supposed to call?
I look by the home.
Okay, so why don't you do that and show me how you would do that? They're extra sticky, aren't they? Perfect. All right, so now we're going to move on to the next activity. And this one is going to be with reading. We're going to work on letters and their sounds. Okay, 1 second. All right, so here we have B for bat, K for cat, D for dog, and F for fish. Now, when I give you a card, I want you to say the sound that letter makes. For example, if I gave you this card, I would want you to say B. All right, are you ready to try it?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. All right.
How can I say it wrong? That's pretty simple.
It's okay. Just say "g" for this.
G.
Okay. So, what is this picture? Can you tell me what that picture is?
Tiny dog.
Very good. So, a dog. So, what does this sound make?
Dog.
Very good. Can you say just the sound without the word?
Duh.
Very good. All right. So that concludes our session. Fun.
Okay.